Step inside a Parisian Christmas dream, where timeless French architecture meets understated holiday elegance. This is not a house designed to impress loudly, but one that whispers refinement through every molding, texture, and shadow. From antique furnishings to soft winter light, each space tells a story of calm luxury and intentional beauty. This home captures the essence of Paris during the holidays, quiet, warm, and eternally graceful. The facade immediately establishes the soul of the home. A classic Haussmann exterior stands with quiet confidence, symmetrical stonework, tall French windows, and wrought iron balconies adorned with subtle winter wreaths. Warm interior light spills softly through the glass, contrasting beautifully against the cool winter sky. There is restraint here, no excess, only balance, proportion, and heritage. This front view does not demand attention, it earns it through architectural integrity and timeless elegance. The living room is the heart of the home, where classic French design reveals its full character. Delicate wall moldings frame the space, while herringbone wooden floors ground it in warmth. Vintage furniture sits with purpose, never crowded, allowing the room to breathe. Christmas decor is restrained, candles, pine accents, and soft light enhance rather than overwhelm. The atmosphere is calm, intimate, and refined, offering a sanctuary that feels both luxurious and deeply human. The master bedroom embraces serenity above all else. Soft textiles, neutral tones, and classic architectural details create an environment designed for rest and reflection. Tall windows filter winter daylight through sheer curtains, casting gentle shadows across the room. Subtle holiday elements, natural greenery and warm candlelight, add seasonal warmth without disrupting harmony. This space reflects Parisian elegance at its most personal, composed, timeless, and effortlessly graceful. The kitchen balances functionality with understated beauty. Ivory cabinetry, marble surfaces, and brass fixtures form a palette rooted in tradition. Natural light enhances textures, while minimal Christmas accents bring warmth to the space without distraction. Every element feels intentional, from the craftsmanship of the cabinetry to the quiet glow of candlelight. This is a kitchen designed not for display, but for living, where refinement supports everyday rituals. The mezzanine introduces architectural depth and visual connection. Overlooking the living space, it serves as a quiet retreat, perfect for reading or contemplation. Wrought iron railings echo Parisian heritage, while warm lighting softens the vertical transition. Seasonal accents remain subtle, allowing structure and proportion to lead the experience. This space reinforces the home's narrative, elegance achieved through thoughtful restraint. The bathroom is a study in refined simplicity. Marble surfaces reflect soft light, amplifying the sense of calm. A vintage freestanding tub becomes the focal point, surrounded by minimal seasonal touches, pine sprigs and candlelight. Brass fixtures add warmth without excess. This space transforms routine into ritual, offering quiet luxury through material quality and balance. The front courtyard offers a gentle transition between city and sanctuary. Stone paving, iron detailing, and evergreen accents create a welcoming yet composed atmosphere. Soft lantern light enhances winter textures, maintaining elegance without ornamentation. It feels distinctly Parisian, intimate, refined, and timeless, an outdoor space designed to be experienced, not showcased. The rooftop reveals a poetic contrast between intimacy and openness. Surrounded by Parisian rooftops, the terrace is styled with neutral textiles, soft lighting, and restrained holiday decor. The city becomes a backdrop, while warmth and calm define the foreground. This space celebrates perspective, both architectural and emotional, offering a quiet moment above the world below. The working room reflects intellectual elegance. Antique shelves, a classic wooden desk, and warm lighting create an environment of focus and depth. Seasonal elements remain minimal, ensuring clarity and intention. This is a space where thought feels grounded, where design supports productivity without distraction, an essential balance of beauty and purpose. The backyard garden feels calm and contemplative, even in winter. Bare branches, stone textures, and soft lighting establish a quiet rhythm. Subtle holiday lanterns add warmth, reinforcing the home's philosophy of understated elegance. This space invites stillness, offering a private escape within the city's pulse. This Parisian Christmas apartment is a masterclass in restraint, proportion, and emotional design. It proves that luxury is not excess, but intention, where every detail supports calm, beauty, and continuity. In a world of visual noise, this home stands as a quiet reminder that true elegance never needs to announce itself.